All right, my C8 issues are coming back. Got the transmission light, it came back up today. Today is September 26, 2023. Driving just to the store to pick up some food over lunch while at work, and heading back to my house, and my car is back into limp mode basically because of transmission issues. All right, let's see how this drive goes. 6th gear, go straight to 7th. This is the same thing that happens when I took it into the dealership in Midlands 2 weeks ago, middle of September. Now I'm coming to a stop sign. Yeah, it's skipping all the even gears. Now I got idle creep, temporarily disabled. Exact same warning that I've got 2 weeks ago when I took it into the dealer. Today is September 26th, 2023. So from 1st to 3rd, probably to 5th. Yep, so it's missing all the even gears right now. Just trying to crawl it back to my house in Freeland right now. So disappointing. Currently GM in the dealership, they want to replace my valve body and the transmission. They suspected that it was debris going through the transmission that they thought had made its way through. Obviously, the problem still exists. Currently, as of 2 weeks ago, there were only 2 valve bodies in the whole United States. Both of them were located in Florida. Both of those were already spoken for customers, from my understanding, with the same issue with the transmission. So there were no ETA on the valve body for the transmission. Keep in mind, this transmission issue started happening 1 week after my whole engine replacement. And this is a 2023 3LT convertible Corvette C8. I picked it up at the end of July 2023. That was on July 28th, 2023. Did a Corvette museum delivery. 2.5 weeks after delivery, right around the 1,500 mile range, my cylinder number 2 spun a rod bearing. I didn't even get to use my car to the full potential yet, before getting a brand new engine replacement, and now I'm currently here working through transmission issues. Last time this happened it was about 2 weeks ago. After letting it sit and restart my car, it gave me back all my gears, and also wasn't going in reverse when this happened the first time with the transmission. So when I get home, I suspect that I probably won't be going in reverse into my driveway. I'm gonna try to. Let's see. Actually, I probably shouldn't. I probably should go forward into my driveway so I can at least park it. And then once I'm in my driveway, I'll try backing it up in my driveway. All right, I'm gonna stop the camera view from here, and then once I get to my home, which is about 4 miles away, I'm gonna record what happens when I get in my driveway. All right, I made it, almost home. My subdivision, again, currently still in drive mode. 3rd gear. Pulling into my driveway here. So it's just right down from 3rd to 1st gear. Again, I'm I'm going in frontwards because last time this happened I didn't have reverse, so I don't want to try going reverse in my driveway. What I'm going to do here though is once I park here, I'm going to go ahead and place it in park. Oh look at, there's a vehicle update available. Interesting. Guess I'll try that later once I can get it in the garage. Alright, so in park, vehicle into park. Try to go reverse. Alright, it engages in the reverse, I just felt that. Reverse is actually blinking. So, yep, no reverse. And service transmission. Okay, that's exactly what I suspected. Will I go into first? Oh, it says service transmission, and then let's see here. Yes, goes forward in first gear. Thing is, if I put out the clutch, I am in basically, or not the clutch. It feels like I take off a clutch because when I take my foot off the brake, it's letting me go coast backwards, and I'm still in drive. I put on the gas, I can go frontwards. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead, put it in brake, or in park. Got the brake on. Turn it off, I'm gonna let it sit probably for a couple hours, see if I can get the computer system to reset itself so that way I can get my reverse back and park it into my garage. Alright, talk to you later.
This call may be recorded for quality purposes. Your vehicle is currently connected by OnStar to limited services. To reach GM Roadside, say roadside.
Roadside.
To make an appointment to take care of a recall, please hold while I transfer you to an advisor. This call may be recorded for quality purposes.
Hi, thank you for patiently holding. My name is Nicole with OnStar. How are you doing today?
Hi, Nicole. Could be better. I'm unfortunately having continuous issues with my 2023 Corvette. I'm calling today.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah, I'm calling today. Can you run me the current code, the check engine status code, and provide me that update?
Absolutely. And that was the 2023 Chevrolet Corvette. Is the vehicle running right now?
It is running. Yep, I'm in my driveway. I made it to my driveway.
Thank you. I'm pulling up the diagnostic now, and then once I have those results, I'll provide you with the code that it gives.
Okay.
Here we go. I just got the report, and I am showing two yellow codes. The first one is P0700, and the time frame it gives is to service within 7 days.
Okay.
The transmission control module malfunction, it says the DTC is informational, and the DTC indicates an emission-related error in the transmission control module. And the second one is another yellow warning. The code that it gives me is P2715. The details that this one gives, it shows the engine and transmission system is not performing as expected. Issue has been detected in the transmission system that transfers power from the engine to the drive wheels. You may experience reduced power or shifting issues. If the vehicle is continually driven with the check engine light on, the emission controls might not work as well, and the vehicle's fuel economy might be as good.
Mm-hmm.
Says this could lead to future repairs, and Looks like there was one that there was a check that went through, like on the automatic part, but on that one it was under your transmission, and that one just shows that we can disregard. So that one was cleared out. So one of them was just a check, and then that came back to disregard. So just the 2 error codes there for the control module malfunction and then for the transmission system.
Okay, I appreciate that. And if you can send that over to my email, it'll be greatly appreciated.
Absolutely, and that will automatically go to the email that you have, or the email that you have on file.
Yep.
Do you want to confirm that for me real quick? I'll just make sure I have the right email so you'll get that diagnostic.
Yeah, sure. It's BillyAshleyBrown@yahoo.com.
Okay, perfect. That's what we have on file, so that'll be on its way to you now.
Okay. All right. Thank you. I appreciate it.
You're very welcome. I hope that you have a much better rest of the day and be safe out there.
Thank you. Bye. All right. There you have it, guys. This is very frustrating. Again, got my engine replaced in August, a week after picking up my car from the engine replacement. Now I'm having transmission issues, and I think these are more of a known problem for GM. Just very disappointing. You know, you spend over 6 figures on just an incredible piece of machinery. I mean, this car is just beautiful inside and out. I mean, it's gorgeous, and when it runs good, it feels good, it sounds good, and I'm just really hoping that GM will pull through and do the right thing and fix it so I don't have these issues, or build me a new car. That's why I bought it. I bought it to drive it, and right now I don't feel like I can drive it, you know, outside of my local area without breaking down. Until next time, let's just hope that I can get this fixed. All right, we'll see you guys.